Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in your Genshin Impact. So first you have to open your Google web browser, or you can also open your app in your phone. So first in the search section, you have to type Genshin Impact and simply enter it. And after that, we could see here that is the official account website of the Genshin Impact. Simply click on that option and we could see we just landed to the Genshin official homepage, and on the top right corner that says official site right over here, click on that. And after clicking on that option, you will be directly sent to another tab of the Genshin Impact, and right over here there's a login section. So in order to create an account, we have to click on this option, and over here there's an account login, and on the bottom that says register now. So you simply have to click on this option, but if you already have an account, you can simply fill this option and click on the login option right over here. So click on this register now, and here we can see we are required with our email, and also you're required with your password. So you can simply make a password, and you have to re-enter a password again, and you have to click on the verification code side here, send, so that you'll be receiving a code in your email. So let's check our email, and we could see we got a code over here. So click on this, and you have to copy this code and go to your Genshin Impact tab and simply paste it right over here. And after you're done with all these forms, click on the register, and we could see here's a small button that says you have already read your verse account terms and service and privacy policy. So click on this option and click on the register. So that is it guys. This is how you can create an account in Genshin Impact, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more uploads. And I hope that I made you understand how to create an account in your Genshin Impact.